Hey everyone, today I'm going to do unboxing and review of Philips Smart Trimmer which was bought from Amazon. You can get the product link from the description. Here is the box of the Philips Trimmer. Starting with the top, we see Philips branding and mentioned as 3000 series. At the side of the box, we see a name, product or the model number 324115. Price mentioned on the box is 2495, but I purchased it at rupees 1500 in the sale. At the side, we get the product barcode. Let's open the box. As this was a open box delivery, it was already opened. First thing, we get a warranty card and you get 1 year extended warranty. But how? You just need to register this product on the Philips website. Here we get the booklet which can help you to know about the product and the usage. We also get a Philips branded nylon carry pouch which is of a good quality and length. You can also keep both charger and the trimmer in the same pouch. I already tried this. The best thing that I like about the Philips trimmer is that it comes with a charger in the box. It comes with a Philips branding and it comes with the standard charging pin which we get in most of the trimmers. Here is the brush and the additional blade to shape your beard. Finally, let's get the trimmer out of the box. Now let's bring out the trimmer out of the box. Here it has this plastic covering on it. Let's bring this out. So now let's move on to the overview of the trimmer. First, let's keep the box aside. Now moving back to the trimmer, it comes with a plastic belt. At the right bottom, we get a Philips branding. At the back side, we get a no water sign because at the bottom we get a charging point. At the front, we get a sticker which shows us that we can only use water on the blade and not on the top part of the trimmer. It comes out with detachable single comb head. Here we see instruction about how to detach and attach the blade. It comes with 20 length setting which makes it easy to use. Now let's bring the top head out. Just pull the comb out, then gently press forward the blade. And in this way, you can reattach the blade. Let's conclude the video with what we get in the box. We get a trimmer with 90 minutes runtime, a charger, warranty card and instruction manual, additional blade brush and a carry pouch. I hope you guys are doing well. So do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have a good day.